What up? Coming to you live from a 13-degree day out here in New York City. We got the SMX freshly cleaned yesterday, and to my surprise, we also got a mild snowstorm. Car looks amazing though. Hopefully the camera really picks it up. Look at this side right here where there's no snow. I'm gonna start it up and get all the snow off because I don't want any of that on my car. But I wanted to show you guys the mirror walkthrough on Blueberry Lemon too, and the Terios. Honestly, I should have came outside earlier when there was a lot more snow, but after seeing the snow, I cannot wait to take this car off-roading. Man, I gotta drive this thing off-roading. I gotta watch where I'm going too. I almost slipped. But we gotta clean this one off too. We don't need any ice on our cars overnight, especially because it's 13 degrees out right now. And then we got the Forever Kei. I gotta just start this, honestly. We gotta start this car up. We gotta make sure that it continues to run and everything continues to work. Look at that. We gotta clean off this roof too. I don't see any water in here, which is good news. Still gotta fix that squealing. Comment below what videos you guys want to see. While it's freezing outside, I don't really have the, I don't want to say energy because it makes me sound lazy, but I guess I don't have the energy to work on cars when it's 13 degrees out. So let me know what videos you want to see. Should I do some more driving the Mira? I think one video I want to do is my top 10 favorite cars of the year, like cars that I've owned this year. I think that'll be pretty interesting, and I could technically do that in the comfort of my home. So here's how we're looking. Started each of the cars, let them warm up a little bit. Update on the Midget, I got 2 people. One of them most likely is watching. Shout out to the homie out in Tennessee. He wants to pick it up, but the arrangements and money don't really make sense on my end. And then this car, honestly, actually there's a Daikoku PA car meet the 28th. So hopefully I can drive it there, but it's crazy. Like, it really goes back to the saying, when you spend a lot of money or just time on something, you don't necessarily want to drive it so much. Like the Terios, I don't mind driving every single day because I got it for cheap. The SMX, to an extent, because it's fully serviced, you know, I got it for cheap. I don't really care to put it. But this one, because I paid so much money for it, I spent so much time putting in this dash, the turbo, Dad Bod Garage helping out, Mendy, everyone, my cousin. It's like, now I just want to baby it, and I just want to keep it here forever and never let it see outside, which should be the opposite. Because I put so much time and energy and money into it, I should be driving this every day, but we'll take it out at some point. We definitely gotta drive this some more before the year's over. And then I'm hoping after the little person is gone, I'll buy some off-road tires. We'll finally drive this off-roading. Mendy has a blue Jimny. If no one takes it on the giveaway, he can take that, or his Acti, or even his Carry. We can go off-roading. Maybe Savi, maybe Rob with the Honda Z. All of us can go together off-roading. That'd be pretty sick. And then update on the SMX. You saw that Teggy just worked his magic. Even after the snowstorm, this car still looks minty. I'm already working on some WBTF logos, so I'm reworking the original SMX for it to say WBTF. I'm thinking that putting that on both of these sides where it goes on normally. And then I'm thinking about maybe driving on a road trip early January to Florida. There's a car meet I showed on the screen right now for the Kei Cars and K's in Tampa. Thinking about going over there. It's just so cold back home that I just want to go somewhere warm and make some content, meet up with you guys, stop at Mayberry again, maybe stop at Dunkin', do all those fun stops. We can start the year with a good old road trip, create some content, meet some of you guys. I would love to take the Mira, but I feel like while I own this SMX, let me drive it some more. It's already fully serviced. So let's see what happens. I'm thinking about doing that. I'm thinking about maybe I don't go that route. just because next week I'll be picking up the Mighty Boy, the Carry, and the pink Alto. So in a way, I should stay here and create content on all those cars, but it's just freezing right now. This has been it's not even really winter yet. It's not even January, February, but it's been cold. What up? So I got good news on the Daihatsu Little Person. This car is officially going to be sold tomorrow. Shout out to the homie Anything Wheeled. It was one of his friends. He lives in Massachusetts. I think he has a huge car collection, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I think Rain was telling me he has like over 100 cars, or maybe even 1,000, I don't remember. But he has an original Midget, like the three-wheel version. He has a bunch of cars, so I look forward to doing that. We're actually going to deliver it to him tomorrow. I'm going to drive to Mendy. From Mendy, we're going to trailer it about 2-3 hours, and then this car officially will be gone. I'm just going to start it one more time. Even in this 14-degree day, fires right up. But I'm looking forward to this car being gone. Next week, like I keep saying over and over, we finally pick up the Mighty Boy. We also pick up the Turbo Carry. And then a few days after that, we'll be picking up the pink Alto. I now only have 4 cars to worry about. Serena, SMX, Torios, and I don't even want to call this a car to worry about because this thing isn't going anywhere. But now that this is finally gone, I'm definitely going to get some tires on the Torios. I think, like I've been saying, me, David, maybe Robin is kind of the Z, maybe Savi and his Carry or something. We're all going to go off-roading. Maybe some more people, maybe Chibi Pajero, a bunch of people. I would love to go off-roading, you know, once the weather's a little bit better. We all just hop on our Kei Cars and drive to New Jersey to maybe Pine Barrens. Anyone watching this video, if you want to join, definitely tag along. But here it is. Daihatsu Little Person. Great looking vehicle. Fun build. I wish I bought it when it was warmer. I think I definitely would have enjoyed it a lot more. Same goes for the Mighty Boy. I'm kind of upset that I'm getting it in these freezing cold days. And then I'm also going to Japan in March, where I feel like, you know, my goal is to sell all my cars before March. But let's see, maybe we have to hold on to the Mighty Boy a little longer. Same with the pink Alto. And then obviously this one. Like SMX, as much as people think it's going to be my forever car, I don't really have a need for it. And the goal was to go to Japan for 3 months in March. So that car's 100% going to be sold. If somebody wants to buy it, definitely hit me up. I still got to bring it to Teggy and clean the inside. And then we're going to add the WBTF decals I showed you. And then once I go off-roading with the Terios, I'll probably just sell it to somebody for like $5,500. Like, I don't really... That was just a fun car. And then we'll just worry about the Carry and all the other cars after that. But it's currently freezing, as you can see. Just wanted to get on here and update you guys on the Little Person update. So I just got my package in the mail. Finally got ourselves this black light. So let's go inside the Honda SMX and see if we see any signs of some SE. All right, so front seats look good. Looks like there's a little something there, but that could just be food. All of this looks good. Looks like there's a little something on the floor mat. Anything on my VIP tray? No, everything looks really good. I mean, this is where the magic happens, so let's check back here. Let me turn this light off too. Alright, so... Wow. See what I mean? Like, a lot of people are like, wow, you're really gonna get a black light? And I think getting a black light's a good thing. There's nothing. There's nothing in here at all. It's actually very clean. It's not as shocking as I want it to be. I mean, there's a little something right there. A little something. No, it's just a piece of paper actually. So yeah. If anyone's interested in the SMX, looks like this might be one of the rare ones that didn't have any extracurricular activities back here. But yeah, Midget's gonna be sold tomorrow. Stay tuned for that video. Looking forward to seeing the dude's collection. Looking to seeing whatever cars he has for sale. Thank you guys for watching. Road to 40K. Road to 100K. Peace out.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.